Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video we will discuss preparation right from 12th standard for NCHM CET JEE examination. I hope आप सबके 12th standard के classes जो है वो already start हो गए रहेंगे and you are doing your board exam preparation. Now this is the right time to prepare for board exam as well as NCHM CET JEE examination, because if you start your preparation early for NCHM CET JEE examination, then you have very high chances to get admission in top IHM. Okay, in this video we will discuss what are the strategies are required to crack NCHM CET JEE examination. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for NCHM CET JEE, each at IHM Aurangabad exam for year 2022 and 23. In this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of your will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 question for the practice purpose, mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454, or you can visit to our website manwaradio.com/hotel management entrance examination. Now let us discuss points for NCHM CET JEE exam. So in this we will see what are the pointers are required for NCHM CET JEE exam preparation. So very first we will discuss about syllabus and paper pattern. After that we will discuss about strategy for NCHM CET JEE exam preparation. After that we will discuss study material, mock test and revision plan. After that, motivation. Yes, it is also one of the key factor for getting selected in IHM, because many of the time during board examination as well as your entrance exam preparation, you feel low, you feel demotivated, you feel you have high pressure for board exam as well as entrance examination. So at that time motivation will boost your preparation. So how you will get motivation? So in this we will discuss. After that we will discuss top institute of hotel management, that is IHM. So these all points we will discuss one by one. So now let us discuss very first syllabus and paper pattern for NCHM CET JEE exam. So in this the syllabus comprises numerical ability and analytical aptitude, which will carry 30 marks and maximum marks is 120. After that, reasoning and logical deduction, it will carry 30 question, the maximum marks is 120. Next is general knowledge and current affairs, it will carry 30 question and maximum marks is 120. After this, English language, it will carry 60 marks and maximum marks is 240. After that, aptitude for service sector, it will carry 50 question, maximum marks is 200 marks. Each question will carry 4 marks. If you are marking wrong answer, so -1 will be negative marking. So total question is 200 and total marks is 800 marks. Time duration is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours you will get for the examination. And examination mode is online, it will be computer based test mode. So this is all about syllabus as well as paper pattern and marking scheme for NCHM CET JEE examination. After this we will discuss strategy for NCHM CET JEE exam preparation. So very first you need to understand the syllabus. Complete understanding of the syllabus is very important. You have to know the things that GK में आपको क्या पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश में आपको क्या पढ़ना है, रीजनिंग में आपको क्या पढ़ना है, ये सारी चीज़ें you need to understand very well. After this you need to prepare your timetable for exam preparation and you need to balance the timetable with board preparation, because इस साल आपका board भी है. Okay, so according to your time you can prepare your timetable. After this, third thing is also very important, that is previous year question paper for NCHM CET JEE examination. Now with the previous year question paper you will come to know what is the trend of examination, what are the important topics which you should study more. एंड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर के सोल्यूशन भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. ऑल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर के सोल्यूशन यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम अस. आफ्टर दिस you can start for your exam preparation. Now we will discuss study material and mock test. So in this, 3 things are very important. Very first is books and study material. Right study material and right guidance is very important to crack NCHM CET JEE examination. So after this, topic test and mock test. With the mock test you will come to know in which section you are strong, in which section you are weak. You will learn about paper pattern, you will learn about time management, that in which section how much time it is to be given. With all this thing you will be confident for examination. After this, revision. This is also very important factor, because आप पूरे साल पढ़ाई करेंगे and revision if you don't do, then आप सारी चीज़ें भूल सकते हैं. So timely revision is very important. Now after this, continuous motivation. Why? Because many of the time it has happened ki during exam preparation you feel low, you feel demotivated, you feel you have high pressure of board exam as well as entrance examination. How you will make yourself motivated every time? So we at Manoeuvre, we provide you mentorship, so you can talk to your mentor, and mentor will help you, mentor will guide you, mentor will motivate you for exam preparation, and with that you can get the success. If I talk about top institute of hotel management, then these are the top institute. For that you should dream, like IHM Mumbai is there, IHM Pusa is there, IHM Bangalore is there, IHM Hyderabad is there, IHM Chennai is there, IHM Lucknow is there, and many more IHMs are there which has very good campus, very good placements. So if you are preparing for NCHM CET JE, then your target should be IHM only. If you want preparation for NCHM CET JE examination for 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination. So you can subscribe to this channel also. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.